In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit hours on Fresha, a popular platform for business owners in the beauty and wellness industry. Whether you're running a salon, spa, or freelance services, Fresha provides an easy way to manage your appointments, and making adjustments to your operating hours is a breeze with these simple steps. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Fresha for Business. Open your web browser and type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business. This link takes you directly to the business section of Fresha, where you can manage all aspects of your service offerings, including your operating hours. Once you've reached the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login option right on the page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page, where you should select For Business. This ensures you're accessing the platform with the correct permissions to make adjustments to business-related settings. The login process is pretty straightforward from here. Click on Sign In using Google. This is a convenient option for those who prefer to sync their Google account with Fresha, making the sign-in process quicker and more secure. If you have multiple Google accounts, you will be prompted to choose the one associated with your Fresha account. After you've selected your Google account and successfully logged in, it's time to focus on adjusting your business hours. To do this, you'll head over to the Teams section. If you're not automatically redirected there, you can find the Teams link either on your dashboard or in the navigation menu. Clicking on this link will take you to a page where you can manage your team's scheduled shifts. Within the Teams section, your next step is to click on Scheduled Shifts. This will display a calendar view showing the scheduled working hours for your team. Located atop the calendar or on the side menu, this option allows you to view and edit the shifts for any given day. Now, to make adjustments to a specific day's working hours, you'll want to click on Daily Shifts for the day you intend to edit. This brings up the detailed view for that day's shift schedule, including start and end times for each team member. To change the time slot for any shift, click on Edit this day. This will allow you to modify the start and end times for the shift directly. A user-friendly interface pops up, making it easy to adjust the hours by either typing in the new times or selecting them from a drop-down menu. Once you've made the necessary adjustments to the shift times, don't forget the crucial last step: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located near the bottom of the page or in the upper right-hand corner, depending on the layout. Click it to ensure all your adjustments are stored and applied. And just like that, you've successfully edited the operating hours for your business on Fresha. It's a simple yet essential task that helps keep your clients informed and your operations running smoothly. A few additional tips to keep in mind: regularly reviewing and updating your business hours to reflect any changes in your operations can greatly enhance your client's experience. Also, consider communicating any changes in business hours to your customers through Fresha's marketing tools to keep everyone in the loop. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it helps you manage your business on Fresha more effectively. If you found these instructions useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.